In the late 1980s, a remarkable site was uncovered on the shores of the Sea of Galilee in northern Israel. Known as Ohalo II, this site dates from the very peak of the Last Glacial Maximum. Here, archaeologists have discovered the clustered remains of an early Epipaleolithic settlement, including the preserved remains of 6 brush huts. The floors of each of these oval-shaped buildings were carefully cut into ground level, after which walls were constructed from the branches of willows, tamarisks, and oak trees. In addition to these huts, a large number of hearths were also found on site, along with a designated area for domestic waste disposal. This highly organised settlement has been carbon dated to around 20,000 BC, and appears to have been occupied on a permanent basis for several successive generations. At the end of this occupation period, each of these dwellings was set alight, sealing their contents within. Shortly thereafter, the water level of the shore rose and covered the settlement. This combination of charring and sedimentation acted to preserve much of the organic material associated with this camp. Such was the state of preservation that one hut still contains recognisable bedding materials, along with a wealth of microliths, animal bones, and a vast assembly of plant material. From these remains, it can be seen that the occupants of Ohalo II exploited a wide range of local prey species, including red deer, hares, foxes, and a variety of seasonal birds. What is more significant, however, is the collection of some 150,000 seeds and fruits that were found deposited within the huts. These seeds included acorns, legumes, and wild cereals such as emmer wheat and barley. In addition to this plant material, stone tools resembling sickles have also been unearthed, along with simple grindstones which bear evidence of having been used to process plant seeds. So we can be reasonably certain that substantial amounts of seeds and cereal grains were being consumed at this site around the beginning of the Epipaleolithic. A number of paleobotanists have even reported the presence of weed species at Ohalo II associated with cultivation, hinting that plant species were already being exploited in a systematic manner. But whilst these sickle blades and grinding tools were certainly in use in places like Ohalo II, and at sites such as Ein Gev I further to the east, there is currently little evidence that their use was common throughout the Levant. Indeed, there seems to be little resemblance between Ohalo II and its surrounding communities, which remained small and mobile.